For blending part 1, you will need to get some kind of a textured object or you can use the carpet or the floor or a pillow or a couch, anything that has some kind of texture to it. Kids, you know how to make the letter as you're actually saying it. So I'm going to show you a couple times first, and then I think you'll remember how to do that. I'm going to show it in the air. Actually, I'm going to show it on the table for you. But you can definitely find some kind of a soft object or something textured so that you can actually feel the letters as you're making them. IGH says I. Or says or. Ing says ing. The U says O. OA says O. AY says A. Sp. SP says sp. Sk. SK says sk. Cr. CR says cr. Qu. QU says qu. Gr. GR says gr. Sk. SK says sk. FF says f. S. SS says s. Ink. INK says ink. Dr. DR says dr. Str. STR says str. Ung. UNG says ung. Lt. LT says lt. The E says onk. ONK says onk. Ank. ANK says ank. L. LL says l. EA says e. Sw. SW says sw. Bl. BL says bl. MP says ulp. LP says ulp. Cl. CL says cl. Fl. FL says fl. Z. ZZ says z. Gl. GL says gl. Fr. FR says fr. St. ST says st. O. OW says o. Ow. OW says ow. E. EE says e. Ch. CH says ch. Ft. FT says ft. Ah. The O says ah. Ang. ANG says ang. ER says K. CK says k. I. The I says I. PR says pr. Br. BR says br. Sm. SM says sm. IR says pl. PL says pl. AR says unk. UNK says unk. AI says ong. ONG says ong. Squ. SQU says squ. Sk. SC says sk. Sp. SP says sp. The A says st. ST says st. Spl. SPL says spl. Two sounds. Let's do this one first. V. TH says th. TH says spr. SPR says spr. WH says I. IE says I. IE says E. Sh. SH says sh. Scr. SCR says scr. Tr. TR says tr. Nt. NT says nt. Sn. SN says sn. Nd. ND says nd. Sl. SL says sl. UR says Y. The Y says y when it comes at the beginning of the word. When it comes in the middle of the word, the Y says I. When it comes at the end of the word, it says I, like as in my, with one syllable words. And it also says E at the end of a word whenever it's a more than one syllable word, like holly. And then of course we have the magic E. Please tell an adult what the magic E rule is. You're right. When you have an E at the end of a word that has a short vowel, this E then tells that short vowel to make a long sound. Like the word bat, b-at. You put the E on the end, it then becomes b-ate.